Buying a home is exciting, but it comes with important decisions. One of the most important steps is the home inspection. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from what it is, to specialized inspections, walkthroughs, timing in your contract, and what happens after the inspection. A home inspection is a professional visual review of a property's accessible systems and components. Licensed inspectors examine the structure, roof, plumbing, electrical, and heating, cooling systems. They provide a written report summarizing what they observe. Home inspections do not guarantee hidden issues, but they give buyers valuable information to make educated decisions before completing a purchase. In addition to the general inspection, buyers may choose specialized inspections for certain systems. For example, roof specialists, HVAC professionals, plumbers, electricians, or pool and spa specialists. Specialized inspections provide extra detail for high-cost or complex systems and help buyers make informed decisions. Who should pay for the home inspection? Typically, the buyer pays. In most real estate transactions, the home buyer pays for the inspection. This ensures the buyer gets an independent evaluation of the property before committing. Costs can vary depending on the size, age, and complexity of the home, usually ranging from $300 to $600 or more. 1. Why the buyer pays. The inspection protects the buyer by identifying potential issues with the property. It is informational for the buyer's decision-making and helps with negotiating repairs or price adjustments. Paying for it gives the buyer control over the choice of inspector. Buyers are usually invited toward the end of the inspection. At this stage, the inspector walks through the home, explains their observations, and answers questions. Being present allows you to see the property firsthand, understand the report, and identify areas that may need further evaluation or repairs. It's also a good time to discuss potential specialized inspections if needed. Home inspections occur during the inspection contingency period in your contract, usually 7 to 14 days after accepted contract. This gives buyers time to schedule inspections, review findings, and make decisions about repairs, credits, or next steps while protecting their rights under the contract. After the inspection, buyers review the written report and decide if they want the seller to make repairs or offer credits. If so, they submit a home inspection addendum listing the requested items. The seller can accept, reject, or propose alternatives, and any agreement is documented in writing. Negotiations usually happen within the inspection contingency period. Buyers can also choose to proceed without requesting repairs, or withdraw if the contingency allows. Before scheduling an inspection, ask the inspector questions. Check for additional certifications or specialties like pool inspections, HVAC, plumbing, or electrical expertise. Knowing the inspector's qualifications ensures you get the information you need to make the best decisions. Home inspections are informational and visual, helping buyers make educated decisions. By attending the walkthrough, considering specialized inspections, and using the home inspection addendum if needed, you gain confidence and understanding of the property's condition. Always consult licensed professionals for specialized evaluations. Walter James Realty Firm is an equal housing opportunity provider. This video is for educational purposes only and is not legal advice.